So the past few days we've been working with multiplication facts. Okay? What have you been working with?
Multiplication facts.
And we've been using a variety of approaches. One of them is
Groups. Arrays.
and well, if you think about it, we've been doing repetition of repeating what?
Addition.
So remember that, okay? Repeated addition. Okay? We did it, I think, on the twos, didn't we, on the paper? Like if you had 2 times 4, you did the 2 how many times? 2 plus 2 plus. That's repeated addition. That's what it means, repeated addition. Okay? So let's read this together. 1, 2, 3.
I can show multiplication using different models like arrays, equal groups, and number lines.
I can represent multiplication by
adding equal groups together.
That's when we do the grouping. Remember the grouping? Okay. The reason I put this up here is because we've been working with what kind of facts already? Multiplication facts of
0, 1, 2, 4.
Okay, that's what we did the past few days. I think we started on Monday. Okay? So I want you to look at that. Look up here. If I have 1 times 0, what is going to be my answer?
0.
2 times 0.
0.
And then we keep going. Let's say I say 12 times 0.
0.
What?
0.
0. So remember what I wrote up here? 0, none. 1,
The other number.
the other number, okay? 2, double is the
Gain.
okay. So the same thing here. If we multiply by 1, 1 times 1, or 1 times 2, or right?
Yeah.
What do we get all the time?
The other number.
The same number, or the other number, right? The other number. Okay. So if I multiply 3 times 2, my answer would be 6. If you multiply by, there you go. If we multiply 1 times 4, or 2, 3, 4, I just wrote your answers, and that's what she had up here, remember? 4, 8,
12, 16,
come on.
20. What else is happening?
Okay. And then yesterday we worked with our what?
3.
Today we're going to work with
6.
6. So basically, it's like doubling. Can you see this? Like, here is 3 times 1 is what?
3.
3 times 2?
6.
3 times 3?
9.
3 times, and then we keep going. See, it's going up by what? It's going up by
3.
3. Okay? Hey, number 6. Look at the 6's. The facts of 6. Can you see this?
Yes.
So look at this though. 6 times 1 is what?
6.
What was 1 times 3?
3.
Did you see how it doubled?
Yeah. Yes.
3 plus 3 is?
6.
And then 6 plus 6 is?
12.
So it doubles. Because remember, 3 and 3, 3 and 3. See how it is? 3 and 3 is? 6. Okay. 3 and 3 is? 6. And then if we get 6 and 6 is?
12.
Okay? So it's by 3. So you see the difference? Okay, let me say, if I say 3 times 12. 12 times 3, what would be my answer? Because we're working from 1 to 12, remember? We're working from 1 to 12. 36 will be my answer.
Yes.
When you look at this, the introduction, I'm going to tell you examples that we can use that you're familiar with. Okay? So, when you say 6, a few things comes to mind. Go ahead and start thinking your own things in your mind about 6. 6. And it depends on the context, right? When we say 6, it depends. For example, math. It's an even number. 6 is an even number. Okay? And 2 times 3 makes 6. Okay? So think about things around us. An everyday life situation. Think about it. Start thinking anything that you see that has 6 around you, at home, wherever, the store. I mean, think. For example, a 6-pack of bottles, 6-pack of abs, which I don't have a 6-pack, but I know some people do. Huh? Okay, or 6 sides on a what? You've played with that. So that could have come to your mind. That's 6. What else? What else? Think. What else has 6? 6 legs and an insect. So if we have 3 insects, what are you gonna do? Pretend there's 3 insects and each one has 6 legs. So you do 6 plus.
6 plus 6 plus 6.
No, what's it? I said 3.
Oh, 6 plus 6.
If you don't remember, it's better for you to put what? Your fingers up, like the song. Okay? You can sing the song too. Yes. So what about you? What do you think of when you say 6? What comes to your mind? Like, for example, if it's a mom and has a child that is 6 years old, that's one.
6 months old.
6 months old.
6
Yeah,
years.
6 years.
No, that's the same as 6.
Okay. You're gonna read this with me, okay? Multiply.
Multiplication.
It means the same thing. Okay? So let's do it again. 1, 2, 3.
Multiply, multiplication, repeated addition of equal groups.
And this is another word for multiplication. Times. Like 3 times.
2.
Good job. So that's just another word for multiply. So remember, if you see that on your test, you'll know that it's multiplication. Okay? Another way to say. Okay, multiplication is repeated addition. As you can see here, I decided to put pictures to work with our what? What do you think I'm going to work with? Look down here. Okay, so help me on this, please. So, look at the pictures. Tell me how many groups I have.
6. Wait,
You're just guessing. Let's count how many groups I have.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So, how many groups?
5.
Of what?
6.
And we say 6, right? Because let's count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So these are my factors. Let's write the factor equation. So it's what? 5 what?
5 times 6
Equals.
30.
Okay, because y'all did your what? You probably did your 5s, team. You did your
I
5s, you counted by the 5s. Okay, so we do this. 6 plus 6
6
plus.
6 plus 6 plus 6.
Okay, do you see the repeated addition? Now you're seeing it in what? In pictures. If you have a hard time, with the factors, you can always use pictures in your mind. So what is my answer?
30.
Job. Next. I hope I did it right, guys. Can you like this? Right. Okay. Here we go. Okay, I'm gonna practice this one. Okay. I'm gonna do this. So I want you to look. Okay. So for example, I'm gonna think out loud. 0. 0 is 9. So 1 is always another number. 6 times 8. Oh my goodness, that's too long. I'm gonna do my rows and columns. Okay, so here are my rows. How many do you think I'm gonna do?
6.
my columns are,
8,
count with me, 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
that is super long, huh?
Yes.
And what do I do here? Do I leave it like that?
No, you fill it
Fill it in. Thank you. Miss Santos should have chosen a smaller number, huh? For this, I didn't even realize. Okay, guys, so let's count. Do you know how to count by 6?
No.
Not yet, right? We haven't done that song yet.
No.
But we can count by what? Can we count by 2s? We can still count by 2s. We can still count by 2s. Sing your song. Go.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12, 14, 16, and 18, 20, 22, and 24. We could keep on, but no more.
Okay, now notice. How many did we say was here? 24. So how many do you think I'm going to have over here? Still 3 rows?
24.
Good job. You see how that came out together? So what's 4 plus 4?
48.
Okay, y'all are too good. Let's go to the next step. Let's see. Let's go to the next step because you're too good at this. Let me see. Okay, this one, if it goes, guidance practice, we do. We're going to do it together. Okay, let's go ahead and say our multiplication. 6
times 4 equals.
What do you want to work with?
Fours. Groups.
Groups of what? How many groups do I have to draw? How many groups? 6 groups. And what do I put inside my group?
4 tally one.
Are you 100% sure?
Yes.
Answer with positive. Are you 100% sure?
Yes.
Thank you. How many inside?
4.
Okay, let's count.
1.
5. No. No. Listen. You already did your 4 song. You did your 4 song. Oh, so how many? What else do I need, Hunter?
2 more groups.
2 more groups. Somebody's awake. Thank you. Okay, you ready to count?
Yes.
Okay, let's count by 4s. Your song. 1, 2, 3.
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24.
How many do we have?
24.
I think that was too easy for you.
Yep.
Let's do this one. Okay, let's read it first. 3
times 6 equals.
What do I do? Let's do a different one. We either do a raise or the number line. Raise your hand if you want to raise. I think we got more hands up for that. Okay, so what do I start with? Go ahead and read it with arrays and columns.
3 rows of 6 columns.
What do I start drawing first?
Rows.
Okay, help me. How many? How many?
3.
And how many columns?
6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
How many?
4.
6. Okay, did you notice? Well, do you want to count by, we can decide to count by 3s or by 6?
3.
3s, because you're familiar with 3s, correct? Do y'all remember your song?
Yes.
Okay, start singing it.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18.
Oh, good. You stopped on time. This time y'all didn't went over. Why? Because you're paying close attention. I think y'all deserve a smile. But we'll see if you deserve the smiley face when I'm done, okay? Let's keep participating. You're doing a great job. Okay? Okay, you're going to do this independent. Just grab your marker, only your marker, and go ahead and do it on your test. And then we're going to work with our